In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice on Shopify. If you've just made a sale through your online shop and you need to send an invoice to your customer, you've come to the right place. It's a simple process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be sending out invoices like a pro. Let's dive right in. First off, you're going to want to navigate to the Orders section on your Shopify dashboard. You can find this by looking at the left-hand panel of your screen. Once you've clicked on Orders, you'll want to direct your attention to the area labeled Drafts. Drafts are essentially where you create and manage any orders that aren't automatically processed through a conventional purchase. After accessing the Drafts section, the next step is to click on the Create Draft button. This is the part where you'll enter all the necessary details related to the order. You'll need to be thorough here, ensuring that all relevant information like the products, quantities, prices, taxes, and any other specifics for your invoice are accurately entered. This makes sure that both you and your customer have clarity regarding the purchase and payment expectations. Once you've filled in all the appropriate invoice details, look for the Send Invoice option and click on it. This will open up the opportunity to customize the invoice that you are about to send. If there's a specific message you wish to include, now's your chance to add a personal touch. Maybe it's a thank you, a note about special delivery instructions, or any promotional message you might want to share. Personalizing the invoice can enhance the customer experience and can show that little bit of extra care in customer interaction. Next, it's important to make sure you're sending the invoice to the right person. Double-check the customer's email address to avoid any mix-ups. It's an essential step that ensures your invoice reaches its intended destination without any hitches. After you've confirmed the recipient and are satisfied with your message, you're ready to do a quick review. This involves taking a moment to look over the invoice to ensure everything is just perfect. Accuracy here is key to maintaining professional relationships and ensuring the payment process goes smoothly. Lastly, with all your checks in place, click the Send button and the invoice will be on its way to your customer. This simple yet effective process is all you need to successfully send an invoice on Shopify. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to help you manage your orders and sales effectively. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in sending invoices through Shopify. The more you practice these steps, the more natural they will become. Keep up the good work and happy selling.